Welcome to Kevin Funk channel. In today's video, I have a shred update for you guys. Alright, now welcome back to the channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscribers, God bless you. I greet you. Okay, now in today's video, I want us to talk about the Forex Millionaire Expo, which is hosted by Jeffery Benson. In fact, he's the founder and the CEO of that program. So a lot have been going on. In fact, January is almost gone and this Forex Millionaire Expo is nowhere to be found. Normally, it used to hold every January of every year, right? But this year, nobody's talking about it. As a matter of fact, the last post they made on their page, that is Forex Millionaire Expo on Instagram, was around October. And then since then, nobody's talking about this program. So we are asking questions now. Okay, Jeffery Benson, if you're seeing this video, is a way of asking you what is happening to Forex Millionaire Expo. Are we not hosting it this year, or did you change the date, or you changed the month? Okay, we need answers because Forex traders want this program hosted. In fact, myself, I'm a fan of this program. I've been anticipating for this event because I also want to come and get an award. You know, when you are watching mentors from afar, you are aiming or hoping that one day you will be invited for a program on this amazing event. But this year we are not hearing about it, and that's why we are asking questions. Now, some mentees want to see their mentors on that program. In fact, on that Forex Millionaire Expo, so many mentees get the opportunity of seeing their mentors. Some mentees have the opportunity of seeing their online mentors for the first time. In fact, the same program, I know so many mentees that want to come to that program and touch their mentors. Some are even coming with questions, and some are even coming for a refund of their money. I know some mentees can be very funny. So we need an event like that where mentors come together. All right. Now I will discuss this in detail when I come back from this short break. Please don't go anywhere because we have a lot to talk. Dapo Willis himself had to say something about this Forex Millionaire Expo and the relationship between him and Jeffery Benson right now. So join me when I come back. Don't go anywhere.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, before I proceed, I would like to greet our Forex mentor. Okay, our people used to say that give honor to who honor is due. All right, so for that reason, we have a Forex mentor here who I want to greet. Since this year started, he has blown up to 12 accounts and still counting. Now he is also looking forward to blowing, I greet you sir, I greet you, to blowing more accounts because more mentees are still paying money into his account and also giving him account for fund management, and he's also ready to blow one account on Monday. No be you, that guy. And first, yes, I greet you mentor, I greet you. Alright, to the minds of many, Dapo Willis is having serious issues with Happy Forex, Kojo Forex, and Jeffery Benson. That's what many people think right now, okay, based on the controversies and the sagas going on between these guys, okay. But for me, I don't really put my mind in there. I don't believe them whole and entire because similar thing happened between Happy Forex and Kojo Forex in the past when Kojo said Happy and Jeff had to come to Ghana to learn Forex from him, the emperor of blues, right? You remember that saga? Now, Happy also replied him aggressively. You know, you remember those stuffs. But recently, we saw when Happy, Jeffery Benson, took Kojo out in a yacht, bought him drink, took care of him, you know, flexed him. So at the end of the day, you still realize that they will still come back and link up together. So that's why when these controversies happens, I don't normally put all my mind's interest and effort in the sagas because at the end of the day, they will still come back together and flex their lives, you know what I'm saying? So in a recent interview, Dapo Willis was asked, what is going on between you and Jeffery Benson, okay? And will you attend Forex Millionaire Expo if you are invited? So this was a question asked by Forex Blogger Africa. In fact, this Blogger Africa, they are doing really well on Instagram, so do well. You can follow them actually. Shout outs to Forex Blogger Africa. We greet you. So there was an interview between this blog and Dapo Willis. In their conversation, Dapo Willis had to clear the air. So I would like you to listen to this video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share the video to the rest of the audience to watch it if you really love what Frank is doing here. So sit back and relax. I'll just play the clip right about now. Check this out. Alright, a quick ad guys. Now before you finish watching this video, I want to show you an amazing prop firm which I recommend for you to use while trading. So follow me into this 2 minutes review and then continue watching your video. Let's go. Alright, now this is the prop firm I want to recommend. The name is FXCI. Alright, the link is in my description box. Click on the link, register and buy a challenge for yourself. Alright, I've checked on the prop firm. Their review on Trustpilot is very encouraging because they have more positive reviews than the negative. That is, 5 stars is higher than the 1 star. Okay, very much higher. We are looking at 70% of the 5 star. So this prop firm actually provides you with 5,000 challenge, because most of my subscribers are asking me, how do we get a prop firm that is reliable and they have 5k account? So this is it here. You can get the 5k or the 10k, 25k, 50k or 100k depending on your capacity. So for you to get the 5k, you actually need 69 bucks to buy this. To get the 10k, you need 147 bucks to do this. So to get 25k, you are going up to $247. So it depends on the account size you want to buy, right? So the link will be in my description box. Also join my Telegram channel where we provide signals and the trading ideas for you to pass this prop firm account. Okay, don't forget to join the Telegram. All the links is found in my description box. We even have Telegram channels of Igbo, Hausa and Yoruba, just to encourage traders to pass their challenges. So very importantly, there will be a promo code in my description box. The promo code, use it to get discounts in any of these accounts which you want to buy. So use the promo code, sign up and then start using FXCI. All right,
right now, you have attended the last Forex millionaire expo organized by Jeffery Benson, right?
Yeah.
So now what I'm asking is, with the current heat that's going on, the current beef banter, whatever online, you saw one of your last Twitter posts, you know, as it be, they hot, everybody has a comment, they tag people. With the current thing where they go on now, do you think
what Twitter
FS
post?
millionaire
I don't know what you're talking about. What Twitter post?
You don't know what I'm talking about? No, after this live, you can check your Twitter post now. What do you post?
I always tweet. You know me, I'm like Donald Trump with the tweets like this.
You should know, there, no problem. Just answer this question. So with the kind of stuff that is going on, do you think FS Millionaire Expo will hold this year? And if yes, do you think you'll be invited or you'll be around even if they invite you? Does what they go on, everybody just they give each other bars, goes this today, this one, follow this one today, this one, this one.
I feel like, I mean, I don't know if you have it. So I'll answer the Forex millionaire. Do you want me to also answer that? Do you want me to also answer that and also answer what is going on with the whole?
Anyone you answer, and I like anything for the net.
I mean, like, I'll first of all start by answering about the Forex Millionaire Expo. Is it going to hold? That is beyond my control. I was when Mr. Peak interviewed me in the interview went live in November, I think. Brilliant interview. He's gone on to do almost 95,000 views, pushing 100k views. One of the best interviews by any African trading podcast, actually. And on the podcast, I said I'm anticipating an invite from the organizers of the FME and from Jeffery Benson's team. Jeffrey always calls me personally when he's putting together an event. And if Jeffrey calls me, I will. And if Jeffrey calls me, I will be there. Why will I not be there? I will be there. There's nothing, bro. If you pick up the phone, I'm a very easygoing guy. If you pick up the phone, one thing I don't like is if you come at me with, I'm a Port Harcourt boy. If you come at me with bege, I will bege you back. But if you come at me and talk to me, I will listen to you. No, is the
nobody bege you now. I dey bege everybody now.
No, no, I'm trying to explain. I'm trying to pass my point across. So, on several FMEs, they've reached out to me, and I showed up, and I got on stage, and the crowd loved it, and it was a brilliant one, and I was happy to impact the Forex traders positively. I was expecting another event, and I was also expecting an invite, but I didn't get the invite, and I didn't, apparently there was no event I was holding And I was like, okay, like, I don't know, maybe he just doesn't want to host the event, and that's absolutely fine. You get what I mean? So the FME being hold is one of those things. And if the FME is holding, and they invite me today that the FME is holding next week, I will be there. But the question is, would I get an invite? Obviously, with everything that is going on, I don't know if I'll get an invite. If I do get an invite, of course I'll be there. Like, that people love Dapo Willis, man. Every Forex trader wants to hear what I have to say, because when I get on stage, when I get on stage, I'm not obviously just there for the hype. Obviously there's the hype, but there's a lot of value and education in the hype. People always leave after when I talk, they feel like they've learned something that they can implement the very next day. So why not? If I get an invite, like, I'm always, bro, like, you don't know the kind of person I am, man. I don't have time for, bro, like, I have shit to do. Like, I have shit to do, man. The Willis, I'm trying to take Willis. Like, Aliko Dangote is who I'm trying to be like. I'm not even trying to like, I don't have time. Like, I have things to do. So if you call me to come for an event and you give me a mic to speak for 45 minutes, I'm going to go there and I'm going to give it my absolute best. So I don't really care who's organizing it, provided that it's a platform for me to deliver what I need to deliver on. I will be there. I don't care about anything. You know what I'm saying? So
Understood.